In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Google Chrome version in Windows 10. This is a simple process, and it's useful to know because the Chrome version can help you confirm whether your browser is up to date, troubleshoot certain website issues, or follow instructions that require a specific version of Chrome. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can find this information in just a few moments. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window. There, you'll see the menu icon with 3 dots. Go ahead and click that icon to open the main Chrome menu. After the menu appears, look through the options and click on Settings. This will open the Chrome Settings page in a new tab. The settings area is where you can manage many parts of the browser. But for this tutorial, we're only focused on finding the version information. Once you're on the settings page, scroll all the way down. Near the bottom, you'll find an option called About Chrome. Click on that to open the browser's information page. This section is specifically designed to show details about your Chrome installation. As soon as you open the About Chrome page, you'll be able to see the version number of Google Chrome. This is the place where Chrome displays the exact version currently installed on your computer. In many cases, this page may also automatically check for updates in the background. So if your browser is out of date, Chrome may begin updating on its own. If that happens, just wait for the update process to finish. You may be asked to relaunch the browser afterward, which helps complete the update. If no update is needed, then the version shown is the one you're currently using. And that's all there is to it. Open Chrome, click the 3-dot menu, go to Settings, scroll down to About Chrome, and there you'll find the version number. It's a quick and helpful thing to know, especially when you need to verify compatibility or make sure your browser is running the latest release. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find your Google Chrome version easily in Windows 10.